What's up guys, welcome to Apex. Thanks for tuning in. Meta has been introducing some amazing features on WhatsApp all this while, and we have seen most of the features on the channel in the past. Now in this video I wanted to show you one brand new feature which Meta has introduced on WhatsApp recently, just a couple of days ago, which is going to change the way you send the messages on WhatsApp. Let me go ahead and show you what I'm talking about. Let me open my own contact here. Now here obviously we can send the text message and we can take the image or video and send it on WhatsApp. And here by tapping on this icon, this mic icon, we can send the audio messages on WhatsApp. Now all this while we could send these audio messages which will be encrypted end to end, and that will be sent to the receiver. Now here when you tap on this, we have to press and hold on this to record the audio. As you can see, this is the new version of audio recording capsule that we have here. You just have to press and hold on it, and we can just slide to cancel it, and then we can press and hold and lock this to get this view which will continuously record the audio, and if you want we can delete it right here. Now this is how we can send the audio files, but if you have to send an encrypted video file, we can do that as well with this latest new feature. And this may be available only on the beta version because I'm currently running on WhatsApp beta. If you have enrolled on WhatsApp beta, you will be able to see this feature, or maybe it has been released on the stable variant as well. I'm not very sure. If you are using a stable variant, try what I'm going to show you now and let me know in the comment section whether you have got this feature or not. Now to send an encrypted video message, all you need to do is just tap on this again. Now it says hold to record video, tap to switch to audio. Now you can see this video icon is right here. Now to record the video, I will just press and hold on this icon. As you can see, this is a circular viewfinder we are getting here, and it is recording the video. And at the bottom, again, it's the same method to follow to lock this particular view, and we can just slide towards the left to cancel this video recording. Now this is going to record the video for about 1 minute, and you can just send this video to the receiver right from here. Let me just lock this. As you can see, now I can talk, I can send this video file once it is done. If you want to stop it here, you can just tap on stop. If you want to delete it, we have got delete icon, and we have got send icon right here. If you're done talking, you can just tap on the send icon to send it to the receiver. Now I just tapped on the send icon. Now the video has gone. Now you can see this video is playing in the same circular view, which looks pretty good. And as for Meta, this is the encrypted video message that you're sending. Now if you want to delete this, you can just press and hold on this. Like how you delete a message, you can tap on delete here and delete for everyone, delete for me, and cancel these options we get. If I want to delete for everyone, I can just tap on this to delete it. This is a fantastic feature we've got on WhatsApp now. Like I said, I'm not sure whether this is available on the stable variant or not. I'm currently using the beta version, so you let me know whether you have got this feature or not. Now apart from this, Samsung recently changed the sticker suggestions as well. As you can see here, I'll tap on the sticker icon here, and we get to see these suggestions here. As you can see, it shows the smileys, GIFs, and the recently used items, and we also have stickers right here. This is another change which we recently got on WhatsApp. Apart from this, there are loads of new features which WhatsApp has added this year. I will make a separate video showing you guys all those new features which we have recently got. If you have missed my previous videos, you can go ahead and check the channel out. I will post a separate video in which I will include each and every new feature which I've got in 2023 on the beta version of WhatsApp, and all these features will be landing on the stable variant as well. On the beta version, it is a little difficult to figure out which new features are being added every now and then because the changelog on the Play Store doesn't really mention what has changed. We just have to do some research or go through some news articles to know what has exactly changed. I'm not sure whether it is just happening on my phone, on my Play Store, or it's happening to everybody. If you're on a beta version, do let me know whether in the new update with the new changelog, are you able to see what has changed or not. Do drop a comment and let me know in the comment section. That's all I want to share with you guys. I hope you are already a subscriber on the channel. If you haven't subscribed already, you can go ahead and hit the subscribe button and hit the like button if you find this video useful. That's all I want to share with you guys. Thanks a lot for watching. My name is Salyan signing off. Cheers. Bye-bye.